All right, we're on round 2 here. We're going to ski that. Yeah. Back in these stupid pin bindings. Did I ever tell you that I hate pin bindings?
Yep.
Oh, so soft. All right, let's get up here and make a plan. All right, dropping. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy!
Dude.
Don't tell me that wasn't worth it. Yeah, dude. I'd say go high, stay high. We need to go down that. That's the other one that we looked at, I'm sure. Or we can go down through here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, let's just go this way. Watch the left, though. I'm not sure. Dude. I think this is fine right here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming behind you.
That was so good.
Look at our turns, but look at my turn. Look at your turn. A couple of turns, and look at I make a ton.
You can lean so far.
Oh, that was beautiful. All these people are watching.